I will show you a boss. I'm sorry to interrupt. Are you guys twins?
Yo, what do you think?
Okay, of course you are. I'm sorry to ask.
Okay. You're in. Hope you know about the work. Good luck. So, just get to work, then we shall talk about the salary when I'm back.
Good morning, handsome twins. How was your night?
Good morning, Tifa. It was dope. Let me see what you prepared.
Okay, let me come. Enjoy your breakfast, twins.
Oh, really? Let me have some and see what you've got. Wow, this is really sweet.
I told you. Don't worry, sir. Delicious. Of course, it's different.
High five, you nailed it. So Tifa, we have guests. Go and prepare yourself and try to look good, okay?
Me looking good.
Why not?
Okay, I got it.
Yo, she's so funny.
Oh yeah, no, 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 one way ticket and I'm off. Yeah, got 100 million reasons why. Got 100 million reasons why. Yeah. One way ticket, bitch, I'm off for the wrong way. Yeah, whoa. Got 100 million reasons why I left you in the dust bag. Yeah. Louis V alone, I'm a Hollywood with Bombay. purpose in LA, you running off, babe. Yeah, you running off, baby girl, you running off. Yeah, we got big problems. Told you I would always keep it at 100. Every hour, every minute, every sunset. Girl, your line started getting too redundant. Now you upset. Ooh, and I'm up next. She told me loving me was hell, bitch, I confess. Don't think I'll find another girl that I could love less. She was fucking heartless, left me in the darkness. One-way ticket, bitch, I'm off for the wrong way. Yeah, whoa. Got 100 million reasons why I left you in the dust, babe. Yeah, Louis V alone, I'm a Hollywood with Bombay. Found a lot of purpose in LA, you running off, babe. Yeah, you running off, baby girl, you running off. I don't need a girl like you need a girl. I don't need a girl like you need a girl. I don't need a girl like you need a girl. I don't need a girl like, I don't need a girl like, I don't need a girl like you need a girl. I don't need a girl like you need a girl. I don't need a girl like you need a girl. I don't need a girl like, I don't need a girl like, I don't need a.
Dang! Who's using our kitchen now? Tifa!
So
Tifa!
So what's wrong? I'm in front of you. Why you call me Laudry?
Hell no! Tifa, is that you?
It's me. Sir, come on, it's me. Please, wake up. It's me. Look, come on. It's Tifa, please. It's me. You see me? Sir, come on, please. It's me. Wake up. Look at me. It's me, please. You look at me? You look at me?
Can't believe this. Why are you always dressing like street kids? This is actually you. Man. Okay, wait a minute. Danny! Danny! Yo! It's good, bro? Come and see. Well. So you're dating in Tifa's office?
So what are you talking about?
Jesus, Tifa, is that you? Sorry, I thought it was the other girl, man. You look sexy, dog.
Here you are too.
But I have to ask, why ain't you dressed like that? No, Tifa, you have to be always like that and not care. You're just living.
Okay, it wasn't a compliment, it was just a win. So they will see me then.